Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect StoneX to TradingView in 2026. Now, in order to do this, first of all, you need to come here on tradingview.com. When you are here, when you log in into your account for the very first time, you are going to see this type of TradingView homepage in front of you. When you click on this watch list icon on the top right hand corner, it will show you some of the default or some of the popular tickers or the symbols here. So you can click on any of these. Afterwards, click on the option of full chart. Now, when you do this, you will be landed here on this chart analysis page. So here on this particular page, click on the option of trading panel in the bottom left hand corner. Now click on the option of show all brokers. So here it is going to show you the list of all of the brokers that you can basically connect with your TradingView account. So here we are looking for StoneX. So in order to find it, I wanted to click on this search icon here on the top right hand corner. Now when you type StoneX here, you will find its icon. When you click on it once, it will ask you directly to connect with your account. So when you click on the option of connect, it is going to redirect you here on this login page. So here simply provide your username and your password associated with your TradingView account and click on the option of sign in. So this way you will be able to easily connect your StoneX account to TradingView in 2026. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.